something unusual is happening with the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro. And surprisingly, it's not about performance upgrades, camera improvements, or new features. This time, all the attention is focused on something much simpler, yet unexpectedly important. Its color. According to recent leaks, Apple is preparing a brand new finish called Dark Cherry, and even before its official reveal, this color is already generating significant buzz. Not because it's overly flashy or bold, but because it achieves something rare. It looks premium without trying too hard. When it comes to smartphone colors, users usually fall into two categories. One group prefers bold, eye-catching designs that stand out immediately. The other group leans towards safer, more classic options, especially black. Black has always been the default choice because it feels clean, professional, and timeless. No matter how many new colors enter the market, black never loses its appeal. But Dark Cherry might finally challenge that dominance. At first glance, it doesn't look dramatically different. From a distance, it can easily pass as black, and that's exactly what makes it so intriguing. It doesn't demand attention or try to stand out aggressively like bright or neon finishes. Instead, it stays subtle, calm, and understated. However, the real magic appears when light interacts with it. Up close, Dark Cherry reveals a deep, rich tone with a hint of red beneath the surface. It's not overwhelming, but it's clearly there. This creates a unique effect, a phone that looks simple at first, but gradually becomes more interesting the longer you look at it. That balance is what makes this color stand out. It carries the elegance and familiarity of black while adding a layer of personality that black alone cannot offer. It feels refined, stylish, and just different enough to catch attention without being distracting. And that's something most smartphone colors struggle to achieve. Many brands attempt to stand out by using flashy gradients or multi-tone finishes. While those designs may look impressive in promotional material, they can feel excessive or impractical in everyday use. On the other hand, simpler colors like white, green, or purple are clean, but they often lack a sense of uniqueness. Dark Cherry seems to sit perfectly between these extremes. It's subtle yet distinctive, modern yet timeless. And perhaps most importantly, it doesn't feel like a short-lived trend. This could easily become one of those rare finishes that people remember years down the line. That said, Apple is not abandoning its traditional audience. Reports suggest that a dark gray option will also be available for the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. This is a crucial addition, especially since many users were disappointed by the absence of a true black variant in previous models. Dark gray is expected to closely resemble black, similar to earlier Pro finishes. In a way, this means black is making a return, just under a different name. This strategy gives users two strong choices. One is safe, familiar, and classic. The other is new, slightly expressive, and more distinctive. It's a balanced approach that appeals to both conservative and adventurous buyers without forcing anyone out of their comfort zone. Still, it raises an interesting question. Does color really matter when buying a smartphone? For some users, the answer is no. Performance, battery life, and camera quality remain the top priorities. But for others, design plays a significant role. A smartphone is something people use every day, and its appearance can influence how it feels in hand. A color like Dark Cherry adds personality without being loud. It feels like a mature choice, something that stands out quietly rather than demanding attention. However, there's another layer to this story. The iPhone 18 Pro itself might not be a groundbreaking upgrade. Some reports suggest it could feel more like a minor refresh rather than a major leap forward. Features like a smaller dynamic island or under-display Face ID are still uncertain. If those changes don't materialize, the overall experience may not feel significantly different from the previous generation, and that puts even more focus on design elements like color. At the same time, attention is shifting towards something bigger, the rumored iPhone Ultra. This device is expected to represent Apple's next major innovation, potentially introducing a foldable design. After years of speculation, many users are more excited about that than a standard annual upgrade. Because of this, the iPhone 18 Pro might act as a transitional device, a bridge between current designs and future innovations. Even so, something as simple as a new color can still leave a lasting impression. Dark Cherry feels like one of those details that doesn't need aggressive marketing. Its appeal builds gradually. It's the kind of finish that people appreciate more over time rather than instantly. The only concern is whether Apple will keep it. Apple has a history of introducing beautiful colors and then replacing them the following year. If Dark Cherry turns out to be a one-time option, it could easily become one of those finishes that users wish had stayed longer, because realistically, it has the potential to become iconic, a color that feels as timeless as black, but with a modern and refined twist. And if Apple continues exploring colors in this direction, it could slowly shift the market away from basic finishes that have dominated for years. For now, everything depends on how this color looks in real life. Leaks and renders can only reveal so much. The true test will be in hand, how it reflects light, how it changes under different conditions, and how it feels in everyday use. If it meets expectations, dark cherry might not just be another color option. It could be the reason many people choose something different for the first time, and that alone makes it one of the most interesting aspects of the iPhone 18 Pro.